Hey everyone, it's Julie here with TipRanks. Today we're taking a look at two top AI analyst stocks. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. Today we're taking a look at two stocks that are rated a buy on the TipRanks AI Analyst. The AI Analyst gathers a vast amount of data and provides a comprehensive stock report, plus assigns its own rating along with a price target. On top of that, both of these stocks also have strong buy ratings from Wall Street. So we're going to take a look at these companies, what it is that they do, and what both the AI analysts and Wall Street analysts are predicting for the stock's future. I found these under the TipRanks Top AI Analyst Stocks page. That is found underneath the Ideas tab, and you'll find a collection of stocks currently scoring and outperform on the TipRanks AI Analyst. You can check out these top AI analyst stocks for yourself on the TipRanks website or right on the TipRanks mobile app. Also, to celebrate Valentine's Day, TipRanks is having a 70% off sale. So if you've been wanting to show your portfolio some love, now is a great time to unlock some premium research tools. Links will be in the pinned comment down below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel. Now let's dive right into our two stocks. First on the list, we're taking a look at Bluebird. Trading under the ticker BLBD, it's currently priced above $56 per share. The stock has gained 55% in the past year, and in the last 3 months is up about 13%. They do also score a 10 out of 10 on the TipRanks Smart Score. You might recognize the Bluebird name from your school days, as they are a leading innovator of school bus manufacturing with over a century of experience. The company designs, engineers, and produces purpose-built buses, emphasizing safety, reliability, durability, and sustainability through low and zero-emission options such as electric, propane, and diesel models. Their key products include their Vision, RE, FE, G5, and T-Series lines, featuring advanced technologies such as backup cameras, electronic stability control, and ultra-low NOx emissions. They just shared their latest quarterly report on February 4th, where they beat guidance across all metrics for the 13th consecutive quarter. The company also raised their future guidance. Earnings per share of $1 came in 21 cents ahead of expectations. The company also saw record adjusted EBITDA of $50.1 million, and overall revenue came in at $331 million, up 6% year over year and beating estimates by $7.36 million. Plus, the company raised and reconfirmed their aggressive fiscal and multi-year targets. For fiscal 2026, they're guiding for revenue between $1.45 and $1.55 billion and raised their adjusted EBITDA target to $225 million. They noted that their Q1 order intake increased 45% year over year, pushing their backlog to a seasonally strong 3,400 units. Of course, as you know, the Bluebird stock does score and outperform on TipRanks AI Analyst, with a score of 79 and a price target of $64, implying an upside potential of nearly 13%. Bluebird scores well on financial performance and their latest earnings outlook. Their multi-year shift from losses to sustained profitability and material wider margins reflects durable improvements in pricing, product mix, and cost control. Plus a record EV backlog, consistent deliveries, and explicit EV volume targets position Bluebird to capture secular electrification demand. When it comes to Wall Street analysts, we did see a few increase their price targets following that earnings report, including one from Needham. They noted that the company printed in-line revenues and a bottom-line beat while raising full-year EBITDA guidance. They added that they're positive on Bluebird's improved margin profile and strategic scarcity post-recent mergers and acquisitions in the North American specialty vehicle market. The Bluebird stock comes in as a strong buy with 6 buys and 1 hold, with an average price target of over $65 per share for an upside potential of nearly 16%. Looking at those price targets down below, on the low end we do have our hold rating here with a downside of 13%, while our high-end price target has an upside of 37.5%. And for our second top AI analyst stock, we're looking at Eaton. They trade under the ticker ETN, currently priced just shy of $380 per share. Their stock has climbed 19% in the past year, up 2.5% in the last 3 months. They currently score a 9 out of 10 on the TipRanks Smart Score. Eaton was founded back in 1911 and is headquartered in Dublin, Ireland. They are an intelligent power management company. With over 85,000 employees serving customers in more than 175 countries, the company focuses on developing energy-efficient products and services to help manage electrical, hydraulic, and mechanical power more reliably and safely. Their key areas include electrical components for power quality, distribution and control, aerospace systems, hydraulic solutions, and mobility products for vehicles and data centers. They did come out with some mixed results for their latest quarter on February 3rd, where revenue slightly missed expectations. But the company also initiated some future outlook, supported by rising data center demand. Earnings per share of $3.33 beat expectations by 2 cents per share, while revenue came in at $7.06 billion, which did grow 13% year-over-year, but fell $30 million short. Also in the quarter, they saw record demand and backlog growth, and their data center orders accelerated approximately 200%, with data center sales being up over 40%. Looking forward, the company is guiding to 2026 organic revenue growth of 7 to 9%, with the Electrical Americas coming in at about 10%. Taking a look at TipRanks AI analyst, the Eaton stock does score a 79 for an outperform with a price target of $4.11, an upside potential of over 8%. The score is driven primarily by strong financial performance and constructive technical momentum. The company's record backlog and an outsized data center order surge provide multi-quarter revenue visibility and support sustained production planning. Plus, their mobility spinoff and substantial M&A and capacity program signal strategic focus, with management reallocating capital to higher growth, higher margin businesses. And of course, following an earnings report, we've heard from plenty of Wall Street analysts, including one at RBC, who increased their price target. They said there was much to like about Eaton's fourth quarter beat despite the management's conservative 2026 guidance. The underlying orders and backlog momentum suggest Eaton's 2026 guide has ample beat and raise potential. The stock has 12 current analyst ratings, coming in as a strong buy with 9 buys and 3 holds. The average price target is $395, which would be an upside of just 4%, but we do have some mixed opinions here when we look down below. We do have a couple holds with downsides, one of them being 7.7%, while more recently we had this buy rating with an upside of nearly 14%. So that is a quick look at 2 stocks that are rated to buy, both by TipRanks AI Analyst and Wall Street. Let me know your thoughts on these 2 companies and which one you'd put on your watch list. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. Please keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, so make sure you're always doing your own research and due diligence. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you back here next time.